welcome to OtherBuys. Today we've got this unscripted review and unboxing of the Myhalos 100% Blackout sleep mask. So the reason I got this product is it's summer now. Got early mornings with the sun rising. It's going down later as well, and I was really struggling to get a good night's sleep because the sun was coming up early. It was disturbing me, waking me up, and I couldn't get back to sleep. So I've been looking for a nice comfy sleep mask. So I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I've really found it to be absolutely fantastic. So I got this from Amazon. It was $9.99. It comes in an antimicrobial zip case to store it in. Got a little instruction leaflet here, how to wash it, hand washing. So you can read that. And then the mask itself. So super comfy. So most eye masks press on your eyes, whereas this one's got this comfy spongy bit here, so you really don't feel the pressure as well. It's really snug around your nose, so it really does just block all the light out. It's got this adjustable strap as well, and I've found that my sleep is just so much better. My girlfriend's got one of these as well now because it's just so good. She tried buying and she had to get one. So if you want to get one, I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, $9.99 on Amazon. You can see that I've been using this for a couple of weeks based on the wear on the strap. It is really good. Really recommend it if you're struggling to sleep in summer. So if you like this video, please like, follow and subscribe. We're also on all the other socials such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So yeah, follow us on there. Thanks very much guys. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.